So hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. Um, I know that it has been long since we touched on gold. It's just that I have been having a lot of things going on, and I haven't really gotten a chance to share what I think is happening on the markets. Um, so what you are seeing here is daily time frame of gold. And before I go on, I want to apologize for any inconveniences, and also note that this recording might have a lot of noise in the background. Just focus on what I am trying to say and what I am trying to show you. Don't mind about what is going in the background, okay? As long as you can hear my voice, that's good, okay? I'm gonna change this cursor here. Hope now you can see that better. Um, so first of all, I want to go to the fundamentals. I want to tell you what is happening in the economical calendar. So we have been having a lot of wars, and we have seen USA and Israel go to war with Iran, and we have seen damage, and we have seen killings happen, and it's so it's so unfortunate that these are the things that are pushing the market to behave how it is doing. It's like I want to make something clear here, okay, about fundamentals and technicals. By fundamentals, I mean the economical calendar, and where you're gonna find it. You're gonna find it in the forex factory. Okay, I already talked about that. I talked about that in so many videos. I'm not gonna be tired of talking about it because other people are gonna be meeting my videos, and they might probably have not gone through my previous videos. So you go back to my previous videos and trying to see what I have documented. Okay, and so I want to make something clear about the fundamentals and the technicals, and that is to show you how I use the fundamentals that are scheduled in the economical calendar and to my advantage of technical trading. Because remember that after you do all your data analysis, you are still gonna come back to one thing, and that is what? The candlesticks and the time. That is the only thing that is important to this market, okay? The candlesticks and the time. And in the candlesticks, we have the bullish and we have the bearish candlesticks, okay? The up close candlesticks and the down close candlesticks. We have this this here, that's an up close candlestick. And this here, that's a down close candlestick. Okay, I hope you get that. So the up close candlestick, obvious that means that we are buying. Okay, the market is buying. No, I did not say that there are so many buyers. No, we are observing the algorithm, not the amount of orders that are added into the markets. Because remember that these motherfuckers out here trading supply and demand and support and resistance. That fucked up shit. You gonna see week of theory. You gonna see other motherfuckers using trend lines and all that stupid shit. And others are talking about supply and demand. Fuck you. You cannot anticipate the amount of buyers that were in a candlestick. That is bullshit. Why? Because there is an algorithm, and this algorithm is cooking up everybody. Okay, This algorithm knows what it's doing, and it's referring back to area of interest. And what do I mean by but when I say the area of interest, I mean the PD arrays. What are the PD arrays? What you are seeing in my charts. Okay? That those are the PD arrays. I means the premium and the discount arrays. So what are these arrays? These arrays are imbalances, stroke inefficiencies, and liquidity. That is the only thing I need when I wanna become a profitable trader. Okay. Of course, you're gonna need other things like risk management, patience, and and that's it. And you're gonna push harder with consistency when you show up daily. Means you're disciplined. Means you know what you want. Okay. And if you think that you're gonna show up in the markets anytime you want, you're fucked up. As long as you don't know what's going on in the markets and you're going into the lower time frame and you wanna so I'm gonna cut off. I've received a call. We're gonna continue with the video. Okay. So listen to my next video.